Every day, millions of people struggle with one common problem: belly fat. You may exercise sometimes, you may try dieting for a few days, but the belly still stays the same. And the truth is, belly fat is not only about appearance. It can silently increase the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and many serious health problems. But here is the good news: you don't need a gym, you don't need extreme dieting, and you don't need expensive supplements. In this video, I will share simple East-style diet habits and easy home exercises that can help you reduce belly fat naturally, step by step. So watch till the end, because these small daily changes can completely transform your body. Now let's begin. Most people gain belly fat because of unhealthy eating habits. Fast food, sugary drinks, stress, and sitting for long hours slow down metabolism. Lack of sleep and late-night eating make it even worse. That is why the first step is to follow the most important golden rule. Here is the most important rule you must remember. Weight loss is 70% diet and 30% exercise. No workout can fix a bad diet. So before exercising, let's begin with simple diet changes. Start your day with a simple habit. Drink a glass of warm water as soon as you wake up. You can add lemon if you like. This helps digestion, reduces bloating, and prepares your body for fat burning. After a healthy start, breakfast becomes your next powerful step. Never skip breakfast if you want to lose belly fat. Choose protein-rich foods like boiled eggs, oats, or brown bread. Protein keeps you full for longer and controls cravings. Now that your breakfast is strong, your daily food choices matter even more. Fill your meals with natural and fresh foods. Eat vegetables, fruits, lentils, beans, and yogurt regularly. These foods improve digestion and reduce belly fat. At the same time, you must know which foods stop your progress. Some foods directly increase belly fat. Soft drinks, fried food, white bread, and sugar should be avoided. Reducing them alone can shrink your belly. Once you avoid harmful foods, the next focus is building a balanced lunch. Lunch should be balanced, not heavy. Half your plate should be vegetables. 1/4 protein and 1/4 carbohydrates. Eat slowly and stop before feeling too full. As the day moves forward, dinner becomes the most sensitive meal. Dinner timing is very important. Try to eat before 8 p.m. Keep dinner light and avoid rice or heavy foods at night. Late dinners slow fat burning. Along with meals, hydration plays a major role in belly fat reduction. Water plays a major role in belly fat reduction. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses daily. Water reduces hunger, bloating, and improves metabolism. Now that diet is clear, let's move to the exercise part for faster results. Walking is one of the best fat-burning exercises. Walk for at least 30 minutes every day. It improves digestion and burns belly fat safely. After walking, breathing exercises can further tighten the belly area. This exercise looks simple but works deeply. Take a deep breath, expand your belly, then exhale slowly. Tighten your stomach while breathing out. Next, let's add an easy floor movement that helps the lower abdomen. Lie comfortably on your back. Bring your knees toward your chest and hold for a few seconds. This massage improves digestion and reduces lower belly fat. Once you are comfortable, leg raises become the next powerful step. Leg raises target stubborn lower belly fat. Lie flat and slowly lift your legs upward. Start with 10 repetitions and increase gradually. Now for one of the strongest belly tightening exercises, the plank. Plank is one of the most powerful core exercises. Hold your body straight and tighten your stomach muscles. Start with 20 seconds and increase slowly. If you want faster calorie burning, skipping is also a great option. Skipping burns calories very fast. Just 5 to 10 minutes can boost fat loss. Avoid skipping if you have knee or joint pain. Along with exercise, lifestyle habits decide how much belly fat you lose. Poor sleep increases belly fat hormones. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. High stress leads to fat storage around the stomach. Now remember, results come only when you stay consistent. Belly fat does not disappear overnight. Follow this routine daily without breaks. Visible results appear in 4 to 6 weeks. Finally, avoid the common mistakes that slow down your progress. Many people make mistakes while trying to lose fat. Skipping meals, starving, or overexercising can slow progress. Smart habits always win. So in the end, always remember, belly fat is completely controllable. Small daily changes create big results when you stay consistent. Eat smart, move daily, sleep well, and trust the process. Your body will slowly start transforming, and you will feel healthier and more confident. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Shah Medical Surgical for more medical and health awareness videos.